She decided to do her own taste test.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
She's 190. Thank you.
Get off of my porch. Get off of my porch.
This man got comfortable on her porch.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Sir, you have 5 minutes to get off my porch. Get off of my porch. I'm about to call the police. Get off of my porch. Get off of my porch. I'm about to call the police.
You are currently being recorded.
A strange man walked straight into their living room.
Hello? You at the right house? You at the wrong house, bro.
I think I'm gonna be loud.
That's all right. You at the wrong house.
You sure?
Yeah. I'm the owner of the house.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. Come on, man.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Hey! Alexa, stop. You're not afraid, are you? Huh? I took care of it. You all right? Come, stand up. Get an old man a hug. Well, hey, I knew he was at a loss when he had that watermelon in his hand. I said, I better get up right now. Okay? Hey, I locked the door this time. I knew I heard something.
Stay safe out there.
Can I get a police at 5119 Terry Avenue? My ex-boyfriend. Hurry up. Get down. My ex-boyfriend, he just held me and my son hostage. Hold on. He just held me and my son hostage in the house. 50.
Who is that? Who the fuck is that? This one in my backyard.
My back.
Yeah.
I'm right here on North Kings Highway. North Kings Highway in St. Louis Avenue. Please help us. Please help us. My ex-boyfriend, we just need to get out of sight. He just held me and my son hostage in the house. We just need to get out of sight. I ain't got no clothes on. Oh, please be right back.
Watch this man's failed attempt at stealing a jet wash. She was upset over the damaged package.
Did you come yesterday?
No, I ain't come yesterday. I don't know if somebody else did. I don't know what it is.
I wish you could have been. Did it overthrow you?
What, the box? Nah, because the box is getting transferred from truck to truck. That was normal.
They get banged up all the time.
Yeah, they can get banged up. Yeah. That's why sometimes people pay extra for like certain type of care and all that. Because regularly it's gonna get banged up just touching probably 10 hands before it get hit.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Huh?
This is really awesome. You guys are really awesome.
You're
telling me that this is the norm and I should expect to have delivery like this, not like, oh wow, this is damaged, but it's nothing I can do. But you're like, no, this is 10 hands. No, this should not be the norm. That you're telling me your standards are low. No, you're telling me your standards are low if you're looking at a box damage and you're telling me this is normal. This is not normal. This is not normal.
The dog was hungry for a snack.
Mom! 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 Get the fuck off me! God damn! Mom! Take your damn dog! I'm fucking out of here.
A stranger was loitering outside her home.
Oh my god! Mom! Hi, can I help you? Huh? Are you just chilling? Oh. In front of someone's house?
Always be aware of your surroundings. They thought her perfume smelled nice.
Was you the lady that was just out here?
Yeah, that's me. What's up?
They wanted to know what perfume you use because it smells good. They left the thing.
I forgot. Oh, Valentino Donna Bonaroma.
Leave a comment if you use this perfume.
Okay, thank you.
No problem. Did you get the name?
Yeah.
These men tried to break into this home. They thought this was a great idea.
When the Amazon guy hears coyotes nearby and asks for the blicky.
Have to be careful making deliveries in the darkness.
Well, that's just great. Thank you. Hey, buddy, you want to have like a 223?
This man got out of there quickly.
Get the fuck out of my closet now.
No excuse for this. Imagine stealing someone's bike while riding another. How do you explain this to the officer? This could have been easily avoided. What did the camera do to him? This lady was caught trespassing. This driver is a little upset. This seems personal. All this for the camera to continue recording him. They seem focused. How does this keep happening? You definitely need a ring camera in your apartment complex. He couldn't hold his laugh. Always check your peephole.
No. She's hanging. Woo.
This guy tried to take the Ring doorbell camera. He couldn't leave quicker. He thought he was safe on top of the car. They stole his work tools.
Motherfucker.
The package was stolen right on delivery. Who needs shoes anyways?